Hey guys, what's up? This is the Bull here. I'm here at my peach tree. I'm gonna start harvesting some of these peaches here now. They're not fully ripe yet, but since peaches do continue to ripen off of the vine, I'm gonna go ahead and start taking some off because there's hundreds and hundreds of peaches on this tree here. So by me harvesting some, that'll just give a little energy to the other ones to continue to ripen. See, just on this branch, just here on this branch alone, that's like 10 of them. But yeah, I'm gonna start taking some of these peaches off of here now. Start enjoying some of these peaches. They'll continue to ripen on my counter, so I'm going to take some off. And I'm gonna look for the nice best ones right now. Way up in the top, there's some really big ones there. It's a nice size already. This one here feels a little soft. Huh? I tell you, it feels really good to be able to harvest these peaches and just to see that there is no holes in them. They're all really beautiful peaches and, you know, very healthy. No holes in them at all. So that's good. What I'm gonna do is every few days, I'm gonna continue doing this while they're still pretty hard. So we'll just go ahead and let these ones ripen. I want to get my hands on some of those peaches up there. See how big they are? But I want you to get a kind of view of what I'm talking about here, about how many peaches there are on this tree. It's crazy. Hey, all right. Go over here. Go up in there. Look at that branch over there. Back up a little bit. don't think for a minute that the birds and the squirrels haven't taken notice of the red color of these peaches and the aroma. The aroma calls the birds, the red color calls the birds and the squirrels. They'll be tearing these things up in no time. So we're gonna, like I said, we're gonna start taking a lot of these peaches off. Every few days we'll take, a dozen or two off, and we'll let them continue to ripen in the counter, because if you don't, you're gonna lose a whole bunch to the wildlife. So one other thing too, right? I could have taken a lot more peaches off of here, like when I was thinning them out. I can't even lift this bucket, right? I was thinning them out, right? You can see there's hundreds of peaches in there, little small peaches. And I could have still taken more off, and these peaches would have gotten a lot bigger. But, you get greedy sometimes. I'm a little greedy too. So, like you say, it's hard taking a lot of these peaches off, but you really have to do it if you want to have some really big peaches. Now, these peaches are decent size. They're decent size, so I'm really happy with them. And as I continue to thin them, while I'm bringing them in the house, on some of the branches, they'll even get bigger and bigger. So I'm very pleased, nevertheless. So that's pretty good. Little basket of peaches. I could take so many more off, but I just don't want to let these ones ripen really quick inside the house. And we'll just continue doing this while the peaches are in. I gotta make some peach cobbler or something, because there's so many peaches here. I just feel like picking a few more, but a bird went and hit this one up. I ain't mad at them. All right, guys, here you go. That's my little harvest of peaches for today. We'll be harvesting for a long time. Y'all take care. God bless.